I'm gonna wait till it dries to give my opinion. What is up, my gang? Welcome and welcome back. I'm super excited about today. When am I not super excited, okay? But we're trying some new products. We're trying a new brand. This is my first impression on this brand, these products, and that is
Briogeo.
I hear good things about this brand, so that's one reason I'm really excited. Another reason I'm really excited is about the ingredients that are in these products, because my hair is in need of some moisture, it's in need of something, y'all. This is a wash and go, and I have no idea what happened. Like, it's just on day 2, this is what it was giving, and it was just, it's not cute. So hopefully we can really refresh the curls. To start, I know that I want to do the Aztec clay mask because that helps me elongate my curls, define my curls, and add some shine to my hair, and I'm in need of all 3 of those things, so I'm gonna use that mask first. This is my first video after giving myself like a pretty decent cut. Like, my mom was like, oh, it looks short. I don't think I cut that much off, but it is a different shape than 2 videos ago. I cut mainly like up here. I was trying to give myself some layers. Like, when I first cut it, I feel like it looked super short, but like looking at it right now, it doesn't look that short. And then hopefully today, once we add the products, we're gonna see what it's looking like, and it's gonna look like how it's gonna look. I kind of do wish I didn't cut as much as I did, but it's gonna grow back. Plus the curls, I feel like my curls weren't really like curly, and I feel like a trim, a cut always like helps the curls kind of come back to life. And then hopefully this Aztec clay mask gets me right today. I know it's gonna get me right because it always gets me right. We gonna do what it do, so let's go ahead and cue the dramatic wash day. A little concerned, okay? To me, when I think of a custard, I think of like Kinky Curly's custard. If you tried it, if you haven't, you need to. Who else has a custard? Oh, that Mayel honey and pomegranate custard. Okay, this right here is a cream. I don't even know why y'all tried to it's cream. Like, seriously, it's a cream. It looks thicker than the deep conditioner. There's a very faint smell to all of these products. It doesn't smell bad. I'm a little nervous because this is not giving hold to me. I like a little bit of hold. Does this even say? I guess I should have watched some YouTube videos before I bought this, because there is a gel with this line, but I did not get it because I was like, oh, the custard is fine. I love custards. And then it says creamy moisturizing styler. So it's not, my hair is so thick that using a cream as the styler, I don't know, that makes me really nervous. That scares me just a little bit. Now that scares me a lot of bit, because I was really looking forward to these products, and they haven't, I ain't gonna say they let me down, but maybe I should have tried a different line. I'm not so sure about this Curl Charisma. Let me finish the wash day before I get to the fun. I can't even speak, y'all. I'm nervous. Nah, like that's not gonna work. I need a gel. Part of me is like, oh, but Jasmine, what if it has a little bit of hold after you put it in? This is a cream, and maybe that's my fault. Maybe I just assumed that all custards were the same consistency. So I have my bestie right here, Xtreme. I feel like I'm going to have to use this with this, and I did like the little swatch test that you do when you're trying to mix products and you don't want any flaking, you don't want them to like fight against each other, but you want them to work together. And it looked really pretty. Like it's a nice creamy consistency, and I'm like, okay, that can work. This seems very moisturizing. I do like the consistency of it. It's just this being the final thing left on my hair, I don't know about that for a wash and go. So I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this gel, right? But then I tried to mix the leave-in with it, and it was getting a little clumpy on me. So what doesn't mix well is the leave-in with the gel, and it's not super clumpy, but I don't like the fact that it's kind of doing that, because even this says to use this leave-in with the Curl Charisma gel. I was gonna try to keep it a whole Briogeo wash day, but we'll get a bomb combo out of this. I'm not gonna use the leave-in. I think I'm just gonna rinse this out and then apply this to like soaking wet hair, even though it says just damp or dry hair. We gonna put a little spin on this and see what I can do and try to finesse this as a good wash and go, because I already had a terrible wash and go last week. I ain't trying to go through that again. So I'm back to being nervous because this doesn't look like fantastic. I feel like these type of products are better when you use them over time because of the ingredients. Like applying them just feels a little different than other products that I use. I don't know what it is. This custard says 96% of the ingredients are natural. I feel like that is kind of, I don't feel like I use a lot of natural products, which not all things that are natural are inherently good, but striving for more natural ingredients can be a good thing. Over time, these will be really good products to be using. Like that deep conditioner, applying it didn't feel the best, but after I let it sit on my hair and rinsed it out, it was amazing. I think the chia and the flaxseed are going to have very great conditioning benefits, which is what it says. I really wanted a defined wash and go, but let me just let it dry. Let me finish and then see where we at. This is what it's giving. I'm gonna let it dry. I just wanted y'all to see what it was looking like, because sometimes I speak too early and you know, something magical happens when it dries. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna come back to y'all in the morning and we gonna see. I don't know if y'all like this shape, but I actually haven't stretched it. It is Tuesday. I'm posting this like as soon as I can add this to the video. I'm about to go to the mall. I literally have my computer right here editing this video, and I just wanted to show the final results. Love it. I actually love it. I was gonna say I really like it. I love it. Like a good little stretched wash and go, but I didn't have time to stretch it out. But stretching this out, can you imagine? Like I thought, the custard was gonna be super moisturizing. Like my hair feels nice and just juicy, a little oily, not bad oily though, but like there's product in my hair. I don't have to worry about it like drying out by the end of this week. I also wanted to mention that for a hydrating shampoo, that was a great shampoo, especially using it after the Aztec clay mask that's like so clarifying. Having that hydrating shampoo was, I loved it. It felt different using it. I see that as a theme, applying these products. It's not like other products, and you know, that can be refreshing, using something that does something a little different, especially because these are so natural. I feel like that conditioner is probably bomb.com because it has Shea in it. That shampoo conditioner combo is probably top tier. I'll have to get my hands on that conditioner sometime soon, but I did really like the mask. Putting it on, it was like, are you gonna give me the moisture that I need? Rinsing it out, honey, that my curls looked so they look so good. Shout out to Briogeo, y'all. I was saying the name wrong the whole video, but Briogeo, Briogeo, let me make sure I'm saying it right, Chad. I can't wait to actually try some more from this brand. I liked it. I had a very good wash day. I feel like I'm gonna have a really good wash and go week. I hate that I can't show y'all how long this wash and go is gonna last me because I need to get this video posted. Stay tuned. We got some more combos coming up, some more gels too. I just purchased some new gels because I need to get away from my bestie Xtreme, but yeah, my boyfriend is waiting for me, so that means it's time to go. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Deuces.